in this video we will study about the joints of the body. So first of all we will study about the classification of the joints. So according to the anatomical joints. So first group is according to anatomical. So into this there is the first one is the fibrous joint. So the bones are connected in a fibrous joint. यानी कि इसमें जो बोन्स है वो फाइब्रस जॉइंट के साथ कनेक्टेड होंगे. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ जॉइंट्स आर जनरली नो मूवमेंट. इसमें मूवमेंट हमें देखने को नहीं मिलेगी और ये फिक्स जॉइंट के नाम से भी जाने जाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल लाइक ए सूचर्स. तो हमारे जो स्कल है उसमें जो सूचर्स है प्रेजेंट है वो फाइब्रस जॉइंट्स है, उसमें मूवमेंट भी नहीं होती. Now the second one is the cartilaginous joints. So into these the bones are connected in a cartilage. Bones है वो connected किसके साथ रहेंगे? Cartilage के साथ. Slightly movement is present and this type of joints are usually slight movement. Slight movement present होगी. Now example like intervertebral joints. Previous में example में था sutures. Now the third one is the synovial joints. So the ends of the bone are covered by the synovial fluid. यानी कि जो bones के ends है वो synovial fluid से covered होंगे. This type of joints are shows free, highly and movable joints. So these type of joints are shows the free, highly and movable. ये joints है उसको हम freely movable कर सकते हैं. Example like hands and legs joints, wrist joints, etc. Now second group is according to their movement or according to their movement. First group था anatomically. Now the joint can be classified as synarthrosis and और उसका दूसरा नाम है synarthrotic joints. इसमें क्या है कि नॉन मूवेबल मोस्ट फाइब्रस जॉइंट. इसमें मूवमेंट बिल्कुल होगी ही नहीं एज लाइक अ सूचर्स. और ये कैसे है? फाइब्रस जॉइंट से. Now the second one is amphiarthrosis. Into this there is amphiarthrotic joints. So into this it is semi-movable and mostly cartilaginous. ये cartilaginous है और ये semi-movable है, यानी कि ये हम correlate कर सकते हैं previous वाले से. Now into this there is example is intervertebral disc and the third one is diarthrosis. Into this there is a movable joints and it is also known as synovial joints. Example all type of the synovial joints. Now the third one is the classification of the joints by the sutures. So into this there is a fibrous joints which is composed of the fibrous and it is inelastic and it is having the connective tissue also. The second one is the sutures. Into this there is a Brenier canal nerves. It is non-movable. And the third one is syndesmosis. Into this there is a tibia and tubular joints. Now the next is the gomphosis. It is the junction between the teeth and the gums. यानी कि जो teeth और gums के बीच में जो junction होगा उसको हम बोलेंगे gomphosis. Exception movable and slightly syndesmosis. Now the syndesmosis what is? It is a ligament. Inferior tibia fibular joint. Fibrous joints are mostly non-movable joints. Fibrous joints है वो non-movable है, हमने previously देखा, but some are slightly movable. Sutures and having denser connective tissue. Now the cartilaginous joints formed by the cartilage are semi-movable. Previously हमने देखा synchondrosis, costal cartilage, epiphyseal cartilage. In symphysis, intervertebral disc and symphysis pubis and fibrocartilages.